Welcome back to another sneaker video. Alright, so we are back in the house now. Let me just quickly unbox these boxes so we can see what's inside. It's always super satisfying when you're ripping these boxes apart. Hello? Hello, you're on camera right now. I'm recording you on my video. Okay, I love you, bye. We have two pair of Jordan 1s right here. If you guys did not tell from the title, these are the Jordan 1 Shadows. A lot of people like the Jordan 1 smell, but personally, I hate it. I think it smells like toxic chemicals. Much better. I was lucky enough that I got two pairs. I got a size 9 and 9.5. Gonna resell these soon. I'm getting a pair of these Shadows Jordan 1s. I do think they are worth the money. The quality on this, at least on the two pairs I got, are pretty good. So now I'm going to pause the sneaker review for a second because my girlfriend Sid just got here. And if I'm still talking about sneakers while she's here, she's going to get really mad. She's going to be like, you're taking sneakers over me. So let's go see her right now. Alright guys, so now I'm back with my girlfriend Sydney Pickering, and then we're going to do some little shoe review. Sid, you want to take a sip for these? Do you like the smell of them? Mm-hmm. So apparently Sid's the type of girl that likes the Jordan 1 smell. You actually like the smell of these? Mm-hmm. I think they smell like toxic chemicals. I hate them.
Oh, I like toxic chemicals.
Now I'm going to show you guys a couple items I'm going to sell in a second and how I sell these items, since you guys have been wondering and asking me where do I sell my shoes to. And now I'm going to post a couple items online on this app called OfferUp right here. And I'm going to post a couple items because I'm going to get rid of some of my shoes. I have too much stock right now. Just finished posting all the shoes on OfferUp, and now we're gonna go get some boba because Sid is craving boba. And if you guys want to watch Amazing Dance Show, you guys can hit my girl up. She's selling orchestra tickets, which is for her dance company, for $10 each. Get a regular boba milk tea. Okay, thank you. Just got some boba. Sid's extremely happy now. Every time she gets boba, she turns into a happy girlfriend. Look how happy she is. Ooh, hit a lump. She's a very happy girlfriend now.
A speed bump?
Yes, a speed bump, whatever you call that. She's always embarrassing me. Just finished getting boba right now, and we also got Blaze Pizza, super stuffed. Sid is over there getting her makeup ready. Her show is in how long? 2 hours?
Yeah, like 4.
She got her shows in 4 hours. And she doesn't want to be on the camera right now because she said her makeup's not ready yet. Since Sid is doing her makeup, I got some free time, so I'm going to be doing some editing right now. Just going to go to her show now. So Sid, good luck at your show. I'll see you later. Right now it is 6:40. It has been about 2.5 hours since Sid left for her show. I basically finished the first part of the whole video and also finished this Blaze Pizza, which was great. I'm going to do some work for CS50, which is an online course I have been taking. And like always, Jared is also coming over in a second. We're going to go play some basketball at 24. So we're going to see Jared in a bit. Look who's here. You're going to be on video number 3 in a row. Third time in a row. You ready to play some basketball today, Jared?
I don't know, man. Look at this. Oh, no.
At 24 right now, it's super empty. So Jared and I are probably just going to get some shots up really fast since there's nobody here. And I am done. Super tired. Jared over there, super tired. I am so tired right now. I have not been this tired for the longest time. I'll see you guys a little. Gonna go stretch right now.
Alright, this is it, guys. About to leave 24 now. Right now it's 2:10. Probably going to get some food really fast, or might just go home. Not sure yet. So I think I am going to end the vlog here now. I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. Jared, anything else to say?
See you in the next one.
Yeah, Jared, you already know you're gonna be the next one. You know, as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys like about this vlog, what you guys don't like about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I see you guys in the next one.